Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And we have our 2009 Honda Shadow Spirit V-Twin 750 Cruiser. It's liquid cooled and shaft drive, and the Spirit has a nice 21-inch front spoke tire. Really good looking bike. It's almost like show bike styling, and the gunfighter style saddle. This bike is only $59.99, has just 5,264 miles on it. Really nice bike, clean, great looking. Let me fire it up for you so you can see what it sounds like. We've got financing available, extended service contracts. Come by, check it out, make an offer to purchase. If we can do it, we will. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.